Welcome to another video to CK Garage. So, I'm just gonna give you guys a little update what we got here so far. 19 MK2 Supra, put a 1J. So, we're gonna see if we can start up today. Hopefully today, we'll see. So, we started it yesterday, like actually hitting it hard yesterday, and I'm gonna show you one before we leave. We got the Supra here because this turbo has some shaft play in and out, so probably get another one. And then we have the starlet over here, which we're gonna be putting a Fuel Tech 450. Came from another shop, so haven't even started it yet, or touched it or anything. So somebody else was doing the harness, so I'm gonna take everything on. I'm gonna do it myself, and I'll show you guys. Here's the Fuel Tech. Here's the Nano that I won't be installing, and here's the harness over here. So it's got a 3SG from Beams, 6-speed. And let me show you guys the one that they're gonna pick up today. This one is done already, completely done. Customer is gonna come pick it up later on today. It's a completely stock 2J. Came here so I can do some wiring stuff and wire the fans, accelerator cable and whatnot. Did the accelerator cable. Not pretty, but it works. Made by me. And then see, so it's working. And this one is gonna go pick it up today. I also did the exhaust in it. And one down. The customer asked me to put all these gauges here. He said leave them long because he wants to make up some kind of panel, and he said leave them long for him so he can mount them. I'm just gonna start it. They're all reading good. The car I started this morning, that's why it's a little bit, it's like 150 degrees voltage and the RPM. So yeah, it's gonna be definitely one main sleeper in the street. So right now we're gonna put Yeti File on the car, and that thing takes forever, so I just uncap it, and then since this is JDM, the hole is a lot bigger here, and so I put a radiator hose, and then I put this, and that's how I put Yeti File on my car. So we got the customer Negron running on the Supra. So he's gonna take it to the muffler shop so they can finish to put the muffler in it. So I came on the ride along, just to make sure everything is good. On the way there, then I can shoot some videos of him. Oh, CK Garage. So we just got back to the shop, so we just finished draining the old fuel from here. We put it there and then we transfer it here. So we got, this one is full, this one is halfway. We're gonna drop the tank because we're gonna be putting a automatic fuel pump in there. It's a small pump, I think it's a 320. So what I did was, I can barely see if I can turn on the light. Alright, so I disconnected this, which is the pressure one. The return is this one, and this one is just for the air, like the evap or whatever you want to call it. So I already undid this one. Well, as soon as I do this one, then we'll drop the tank in there, and we're gonna see inside of this dinosaur. Si sale un Black Widow y te ataca, tú la atacas para atrás. So we just dropped the tank. This car is very rust free, let me tell you that. Very good condition. So, oh my god, that thing attacked me. Me atacó, ¿viste?
Bueno, pues me voy. Esto no tiene que hacerlo ahora.
¿De qué año es esta bomba, don?
Bomba, papá.
Eso fue cuando peleaba Carlitos con el de buche.
Con Hércules Ayala era.
Hércules. Hércules allá. Está bien vieja, mano.
Con Chiquistal.
Con chiqui.
Son una bomba prehistórica,
Papi, prehistórica, ¿Cristal la caña la bomba? Muy bien, gracias. So yeah, you guys can see this very old pump. So dale, yo te hago esa ahora. So, yo hago esa ahora. Está bien, tranquilo. So I'm gonna put
¿Le busco ese recibo como quiera?
Sí, búscalo.
Aquí lo consigo.
Yeah, man. I mean, the pump was working. You know, we can't say that it wasn't working. But we're gonna we gotta upgrade it. They don't make fuel pumps like this anymore, I'll tell you that much. You put a fuel pump brand new today, from today's how they make them today, and they'll last you a couple of years, 3 years or whatever. This one has been running on this car since it was new in 1985, and it's still running strong. You know, not for a 2J or 1J, but you know, for the stock engine, it was still running perfect. That's amazing.